Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your laptop. Many players enjoy the larger screen and precise controls a computer offers. The key is using an Android emulator, which creates a virtual mobile environment right on your desktop. This allows you to install and run your favorite mobile games, like Clash of Clans, seamlessly. We'll explore the best options and get you set up in no time. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a smooth experience. Consider your laptop specifications. A machine with at least 8 GB of RAM and a decent processor will perform best. BlueStacks is a widely recommended option, offering excellent compatibility and a user-friendly interface. Once you've made your choice, head to the official website to download the installer, ensuring you get a safe and legitimate version. Now that your emulator is installed, let's get Clash of Clans running. Open the emulator and follow any on-screen prompts for initial setup. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, which grants you access to the Google Play Store. From there, simply use the search bar to find Clash of Clans, click Install, and wait for the download to complete. It's just like installing an app on your phone. To truly enhance your Clash of Clans experience, take some time to optimize your emulator settings. You can often adjust graphics quality and frame rates for smoother gameplay. Crucially, map your keyboard controls for efficient troop deployment and spell usage, giving you a significant advantage. For the best performance, ensure your laptop has at least 4 GB of available RAM and a stable internet connection. Enjoy your battles on the big screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.